guys, my name is Saraf Monshi. In this video I will show how to make qrcode. Okay, I will show. First we go Chrome, then we search the QR code monkey. Okay, space, go monkey, then search. The first option we will find, then we click on this. This is the review. Then there was 4 options. There was many options like URL, text, email, phone, SMS, vcard, mcard, location, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Wi-Fi, event, Bitcoin, more, MP3, video, PDF, social media, app store, image, gallery, rating, feedback. Okay, then I will want to make my YouTube channel. I will need my YouTube channel as URL. YouTube. Then you will go to your profile. Then you click on your view your channel. Then there was a space. Then we go to here. I will copy my YouTube channel and I will right click then paste. Oh sorry. It's my YouTube channel URL. Then I set my color. You choose many colors. I didn't set. Okay. I will add my logo with I will need to make YouTube. Okay, then I will go customize design. Then I will choose a ninja design. Then I will click on the iframe shape. Then this create qrcode. You choose many. It's my YouTube channel. Then your quality, high quality. Then down PNG. Then you download your PNG. Then you have the qrcode. It is my qrcode. Bye bye.